Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is marketing versus selling. Marketing focus on customer needs and selling focus on seller needs. Introduction of marketing versus selling. Marketing and selling are two critical functions in business that are often misunderstood or used interchangeably. While both are concerned with generating revenue, but their scope, objectives, and approaches differ significantly. So, both are concerned with generating revenue and making profit. So, definitions. Marketing is a broad, customer-centric process that involves identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customer needs profitably. So, marketing includes market research, product development, pricing, promotion, distribution, and customer service. According to Kotler, marketing is the science and art of exploring, creating, and delivering value to satisfy the needs of a target market at a profit. While selling is a narrow seller-centric activity that focuses on persuading customers. Persuading customer means convincing customers to buy products or services. It is a part of the broader marketing process and is primarily concerned with converting product into cash. So in simple terms, selling starts after the product is ready, while marketing starts before the product is made. So in simple term, when the product is ready, then the selling starts, and when the product is in processing stage, the marketing starts. So marketing department start advertising to media before the product is made. So importance is in business. So why marketing is essential? So marketing is essential to build brand and long-term customer relationships. Marketing is essential because it is helpful in product positioning and differentiation. Marketing is essential because it drives innovation through feedback and research. So why selling is still vital? Selling is still vital because it converts prospects into paying customer, and selling is vital because it is essential in business to business and high involvement consumer goods, and selling sport revenue generation and cash flows. Integration of marketing and selling. Although different marketing and selling are interdependent, so selling is a subset of marketing. Effective marketing strategies reduce the need for aggressive selling. So in practice, businesses require both marketing and selling to achieve revenue and growth. Although there is a difference between marketing and selling, but marketing and selling are interdependent. So these both are interdependent to each other. Philosophical differences: marketing concept and selling concept. In marketing concept, customer comes first, and in selling concept, product comes first. So in marketing concept, marketing focuses on satisfying customer needs, while selling focuses on selling what is already made. So marketing starts with market analysis and ends with customer satisfaction, and selling often relies on aggressive techniques, and in marketing, profits are earned through customer loyalty and satisfaction, and through selling, it assumes that customer need to be convinced or persuaded. Illustrative example: suppose a company manufactures air purifiers. In the selling approach, the sales team tries to persuade customer. The sales team tries to convince customer to buy air purifier, emphasizing features, discounts, and urgency. While through marketing approach, the The company first studies customer consent about air quality and then design product to meet those concerns and price the products competitively and promotes the product as healthy investment. So then provide after sales services when the product is delivered to the customer. So after sales services mean providing guarantees and warranties. Comparison table: marketing versus selling. Marketing is a process to identify and satisfying customer needs profitably. Selling is a process to convince customers to buy the product. Marketing is a customer oriented process and selling is a product oriented process. Marketing focuses on the needs and wants of customer. Selling process focuses on selling the company's existing products. Marketing use the pull strategy, means attract customer through value. Selling process use the push strategy, means pushes the product to the customer. Marketing begins before production through market research. Selling begins after production is completed. The objective of marketing is to maintain long-term customer satisfaction and loyalty. The objective of selling process is to maintain immediate sales and revenue. The scope of marketing is broad. It includes product design, pricing, and marketing. The scope of selling is narrow. It includes mainly personal selling and promotion. Marketing department use digital marketing through TV commercial and online marketing through internet. Selling department use sales, promotion, and personal selling. Marketing is a process that creates and delivers value to the customers. Selling is a process that transfers goods from seller to buyer. Marketing is a process that builds and maintains long-term relationship with customers, while selling is a transaction-focused process. So in conclusion, while selling is about persuading customer to buy the product, while selling is about convincing customer to buy the product, while marketing is about understanding what customer want and ensure that the product align with the needs of the customer. So in the modern business environment, a market oriented approach is more sustainable as it creates value for both businesses and its customers. So selling focuses on the seller's need to convert product into cash, while marketing focus on the buyer's need for satisfaction and value. It's all about my presentation. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.